welcome back to the Lawrenceburg Public Library. I've seen most of you probably during the summer, but we're back again with another take and make. So this time we're going to do a sensory bottle, but we're going to do a patriotic one, so that way we're ready for Labor Day. So this sheet that I just showed is your instruction sheet, and this will be inside your bag with all your other goodies. It tells you exactly how to do it, but it's pretty simple. So you're going to get a baggie just like this. This little cup in here is glitter. It's a mess. Be very careful. And then there's two little plastic flags. Those are going to go in your bottle as well. So you're just going to take this bottle, take this little cap off, boop. You're going to dump all this glitter into here. Now be very careful and have parents help you because you don't want to make a mess. You'll be covered in glitter for days. And then you're going to drop your two little flags in there. And then after that, you're going to go fill it with water. And so when you come back with water in it, it should look kind of like this one. See how it's filled with water to about here? You don't want to go too high because it'll be hard to get your lid back on without spilling. So you fill it to about here, and you got all this water. And then when you shake it, you got all that glitter that moves. And you got some flags in there. You can't see mine as well because mine are smaller. They're in there. But come pick these up the week before Labor Day at the Lawrenceburg Public Library in our Youth Services Department, or we have some in North Dearborn Branch as well. And then you guys can make your very own sensory bottles. Bye guys!